Here's an unboxing of these Firecracker fairy lights, these string lights right here. Just ordered them off Amazon. Thought I'd show them to you guys as I open them up. Come in this cardboard box right here. And let's see what we got inside. Okay, so it looks like we got little twist tie, little remote right here, little instruction guide. Here's a look at the bundle of fairy lights. Pretty cool looking. Here's a look at the cable, and then the power port, the power supply, the charger, whatever you call this thing, that plugs into the wall. Those look awesome.